Yeah, take it all, ain't no way I can break it off. Girl, is you really down to pay the cost? Reverse the role that you can play the boss. Already know my vision is faded. I try to evade it.
Hey, what is up, guys? So today what we're doing is replacing this rear caliper. Unfortunately, it seized and froze up on me, you could say, and it was stuck in the closed position. And this literally happened yesterday afternoon, and it already ate through my pad, and then now it's just metal contact, and it ruined my rotor. So I went to Napa, I got a new caliper, and of course it happened right after I painted them red. So now I'm gonna have to paint the new one. There's dill pickling. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to install a rear caliper. Alright guys, I got these two bolts broken. That was pretty hard because the brake caliper has been getting so hot. These were pretty hard to get off. Basically what I did was, spray them with WD-40 and then put the ratchet right here, and then just use a hammer to slowly hit it down until I could just do it with my hand. But yeah, so I'm just gonna take the caliper off, and then I'm going to get some cardboard and then clamp it right here so that brake fluid doesn't leak everywhere. And then yeah, then I have to take this back to Napa, because I don't know if they do this everywhere. I'm assuming they do, but if you take this back, they give you $48 for it. It might be give or take a couple of dollars where you live, but when you bring the old caliper back, they pretty much give you 50 bucks for it. So I'm gonna take this back, use that 50 bucks to get a new rotor, and yeah. All right guys, got the rotor taken off. I got it in here so we can take it back. And look, just after probably 36 hours of driving, or just 2 days of driving, it ate through my pad and then completely went through, and that's what ruined the rotor. And you can compare it to this one. So they had a decent amount of life still left in them, but I got new pads, so it doesn't really matter. But me and Dylan are off to Napa to go turn this in and get money back so we can get the rotor. Alright guys, me and Dylan just got done bleeding the brakes. Now we're just putting everything away. It was pretty easy. I mean, we took more time driving to the store, getting the caliper and taking the old one back, than we did take time actually doing this. It's so simple. Literally, you undo 2 bolts here, take it off, and then you just take the rotor out, bolt the new one on. Well, first put the rotor back on, bolt the new one on, and then the pads just literally slide in, and you put this pin in there, and there's a cotter pin that holds it, and then you just put the banjo bolt on the brake line and you just bleed it. And it's super easy. If you have everything on you, it should only take about 25-30 minutes, but just because we had to leave and come back and then leave again to get the rotor and then come back, it took an hour. So yeah, super easy. Don't be scared to do this at home. Brakes are one of the most simplest things to do in your car. And yeah, peace out guys. And if you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Yeah.
I played the game and I'm still the same, and I never changed just to get a deal, bitch. I'm ballin'. I came from nothing to something like it's nothing. Yeah, you know I done it. That is no discussion, bitch. I'm ballin'. I made a promise.